this video, we are going to break down a complete ESP32-S3 custom PCB schematic. I will explain each section: USB Type-C, power voltage regulation, ESP core circuit, LED switches, and programming interface, so you understand how a professional design build. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for motivation, and like and subscribe. So let's move on to the schematic diagram. Okay, so this is the schematic. So the schematic is divided into the five main blocks: type C section, okay, 3.3 regulation, okay, regulator, ESP32-S3 as a core, and LED indicator, okay, and switching, and some programming headers. Okay, so this is the five sections for the ESP32-S3. Okay, but I make one more, that is switch section, burner section. So if you counting 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 is total, but I not consider about the pinout section. So here we are using USB type C section here, okay, with 47 ohm resistance at data lines, and having a ESD diode for protection, okay, and we have applied 5.1 kilo ohm pull down resistance at CC1 and CC2. We was having with rectification a poly fuse at 1 m values, a ferrite bed, okay. After that we have the 5 volt. We applied into the regulator. It is a small regulator, okay, LDO, basically it is a LDO, and we have four capacitors for the regulation, proper regulation, and have three capacitors for the 3.3 voltage rail, okay. So let's move on to the ESP-S3 core section. So this is ESP-S3 core section. Enable pin 10 kilo ohm pull up at 3.3, okay. This is RC circuit, and this is GPIO 0. So I already applied a pull up with 10 kilo ohm and name pin IO 0, okay. We have don't use USB to UART IC because it is having the data lines at 13 and 14, so we don't need USB to UART communication IC because it's having the naturally pins for 13 and 14 for data lines D plus and D minus. So D plus and D minus is directly connected with this ESD diode after the ESD diode. So D minus and D plus is connected with our ESP32-S3 core, okay. And I connected a burner section for USB to UART programming interface. If you are program this, so TXD RXD IO0 enable ground and 3.3. so this is the TXD and RXD. If you don't want to upload the code directly to USB lines, if you want to program your ESP32-S3 by using this burner section or USB to UART IC, okay. This is switch section. I use two switches, one for IO0 and another for enable pin. So here I pull up with RC circuits for enable pin and IO0 with ground, okay. This is pin out section. I connected each pins with headers, okay. This is female headers 2.5 mm gapping, so this is 2.5 mm 54 mm vertical headers. So this is the symbol properties. If you double tap, so you can get. I use 0 1 to 15 pins, okay. Next move on to the WLED section. So this is addressable LED. Most of people think that it is work only 5 volt, but I am working with many of projects that is properly work with 3.3 volts. Okay, so I applied 3.3 uh, low filter. Okay, and 470 ohm resistance. So this is the proper schematic for run a ESP board, and I am going to show you this is the PCB layout, but I am discussing with properly if you giving me 500 views on this video, and I will show you the final output 3D view. So this is the 3D view of ESP32-S3 breakout board. So this is two switches, and this is ESD IC and resistance with Type C circuit.